One of the most magical things that could happen to a person is to love someone. There are times that when you're asked why you love her is hard to answer. You wish you could have that single reason why. For girls, there may be factors that could be the possible reasons. It could be the looks, how he could protect, how strong he is, or how gentle manly he is. But in reality, it's a lot deeper for alpha males. This video is brought to you by Answerly, a question platform that pays you for adding high-quality answers on different questions. The users are rewarded in Answerly tokens, which they can easily convert into dollars or any other cryptocurrency by using one of the exchanges mentioned in the description. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about 6 alpha things women want you to do. The question of what women want and desire from their partners has confused men for years. Movies have been made, books written on the matter. Yet many men continue to be baffled out about what they ought to do to keep their women happy and content. What every girl wants is to be valued, appreciated, and loved by her partner. Here are 6 powerful things of an alpha male a woman wants you to do. 1. Be protective and caring. Alpha males are the leaders of the pack, and they look after their mates unlike any other man. They're extremely protective of people they care about. They would rather take the fall or get hurt than allow their loved ones to get hurt. They will be quick to defend anyone they feel needs defending. They will always make sure you're okay, and in an emergency or crisis, they will take charge and resolve the problem. If someone else messes with you, the alpha will be right there defending your honor. They will never fail to back you up. This includes emotional problems and situations. The true alpha will not be scared off by any emotional or personal problem you're going through. They will know when to give you space and when to offer a helping hand, because the real alpha isn't just physically strong, they're also emotionally resilient. Before we move on to the 1, make sure to like this video, smash the subscribe button, and click the notification bell right now because there are more things you need to learn from being an alpha in a relationship that a woman wants you to do. 2. Get practical things done for her. The alpha partner knows how to do practical things and loves to help his woman. From a foot rub to some interior renovations, count on this special guy to use his time well and make your life easier. The alpha male is the last thing from being subservient, but looking after his woman and expressing his inner hero instinct means everything to him. The hero instinct is a revolutionary concept. Men are likely to feel better, love harder, and commit stronger to you, which could explain his alpha male characteristics. He'll be more likely to give up life as a player and stop hopping from one woman to the next. To be clear, triggering his hero instinct is not about making him feel like a superhero or getting you to act like a damsel in distress. The alpha male can be an excellent romantic partner because he will inspire and encourage you through your own life challenges and roadblocks as well. 3. Never depend self-esteem or identity to her. Another of the most powerful characteristics of an alpha male in a relationship is that he doesn't lean on you in a dependent way. The alpha shows affection and loves intimacy, but he never causes someone else, even the woman he loves, for reinforcing his self-esteem or identity. He has a burning inner core of self-worth that nothing can shake, and he won't even ask you to take ownership of his well-being in a codependent way. The alpha knows how to survive the wilderness on his own, which is part of what makes it all the more special that he's chosen you as his mate. He already knows who he is, and there is not much a woman can do to change that. Sure, when he thinks that she can guide him to a better path, he takes it, but initially it's still his decision. When an alpha starts the relationship, it'll never cross his mind that he needs someone else to define him as a person. 4. Be brave but not reckless. An alpha male is brave and he will go the extra mile for you. From difficult situations to figuring out hard decisions, he will never back down from a fight or a confusing issue. He will brave in the face of hardship, illness, relationship issues, and career problems and never offload onto you. The good thing is that this doesn't mean he'll be reckless. In fact, a true alpha is far from toxic or aggressive. He acts competently and judiciously to defend those he loves and to take action when necessary to achieve the best outcome. He will fight forest fires or move with you to a new city for your career, but he'll never just jump into something without looking. That's because an alpha male wants successful outcomes, not just battle scars to show off. 5. Earn respect. A true alpha male doesn't swagger or brag in a fake way. He earns the respect he has in the world and in your arms. This isn't transactional. It's just the way he operates. He doesn't want unearned flattery or praise from others. And he doesn't expect to baby him or coddle him. He likes earning kisses and knowing he's your man through and through. Men don't act logically when it comes to relationships. They're actually thinking more about how the relationship makes them feel. So, he'll definitely feel like he's earning your respect and working towards achieving the perfect relationship. The alpha male partner is the exact opposite of the pampered man-child boyfriend or husband. The alpha never expects to just be looked after and worshipped because you're his girl. He holds himself to a high standard and gets the job done, enjoying intimacy and love as an extra bonus, not something he's entitled to. 6. Don't ever complain. Most of us complain now and then, and some of us complain a lot. With an alpha, complaining is like a curse. He avoids it like the plague. That's because he knows that complaining creates and empowers a cycle of powerlessness and fixation on failure. He's focused on success and using the power that he does have to make life better for himself and others. He may admit he had a bad day sometimes, sure, but he'll also include what he's going to do about it, or how much better he expects tomorrow to be, or about the new job he's looking for instead. The alpha male doesn't get off on whining. In fact, it makes him sick. What do women want you to do this? One of the most powerful characteristics of an alpha male in a relationship is that he stands by you through thick and thin, and always holds himself and you to the highest standard. This is to make her feel secure about the relationship. Alpha guys are men who seem to be leading the pack, the hunter, the ever-reliable male god. They're all over, in the rates burly blue-collar workers to the impeccable corporate leaders. The interest lies in the energy apparently possessed by alpha males. It's not really just about the cash, but it's about strength and character, and the ability to be respected by his colleagues. Dating an alpha male who persists with grit and tenacity when meeting his goals, be it in his career or in the bedroom, as an alpha male does, means dating someone who picks himself up by his own bootstraps. He doesn't wait around for you to do it. Nor does he run home sulking the second things don't go his way. It is often discussed how difficult it is to understand women. But if men really paid attention to the details, observe and learn along the way, they can be more in tune with the wants and needs of the women in their lives. Maybe if we can all communicate a little better, we can finally get ourselves on the same page and in turn not end up in consecutive tried and failed relationships. There you have it. These are the alpha things women want you to do. Do you have these qualities? Would you do these for your girl? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you like this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel. To learn more about Answerly and Answerly tokens, check out the links in the description.